Every day we waste hours on boring, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks. But what if you could train an AI with your files, your style, and your workflow to handle it? Custom GPTs are AI agents that can match your communication style, work the way you do, cut the repetitive tasks, and even collaborate like a real teammate. GPTs can be used in dozens of cases. They can help you with work, train you to become better, and support you in learning or creative projects. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and edit your own custom GPT. And I'll use my real example, an English-Learning GPT, so you can see step by step how it works in practice. The biggest problem with default ChatGPT isn't that it's wrong, it's just generic. Every chat starts fresh. No attached files, no history, no specialization. Default ChatGPT gives answers without real depth because it doesn't know your goals or unique workflow. If you want it to understand your context, you have to keep feeding it the same material, repeating the same background, and resetting the role and tone over and over. And for many tasks, especially repetitive ones, you really need a GPT built as a specialist, with rules, files, context, and the main goal built in from the start. That's where Custom GPT comes in. These are specialized versions of ChatGPT designed for a specific purpose. Creating GPTs is like training a colleague. You give them clear instructions, equip them with the right tools, and provide background knowledge so they can focus on your needs. Here is what makes them powerful. Tailored AI agents. Build a GPT with a focused purpose, like an English coach, a marketing writer, or a project analyst. Knowledge uploads. Add PDFs and resources so your GPT has your knowledge base at its fingertips. Custom personality and rules. Lock in the style, teaching approach, and role so it always responds the way you want. Capabilities and actions. Connect to APIs or apps to trigger automation and extend functionality. Reusability and sharing. Keep it private, share with your team, or publish in the GPT store for wider use. Now let's build one using as an example very practical case, English-Learning GPT. Step 1. Open GPT Builder. Head over to GPTs. Here we can see My GPTs or create new one. We have two options, create through chat or configure it directly. Let's choose configuration. This is the starting point where we tell ChatGPT we want to build something new. Step 2. Define the role. Let's name it English-Learning GPTs. Now we decide the purpose and description. For me it's all-in-one English coach to move from B2 to C1, daily 10-15 minutes speaking with corrections, writing polish, listening practice, tracking of the new vocabulary words, and weekly tasks. Friendly in chat, professional in feedback, with light gamification. Step 3. Write instructions. This is the most important part. Here we set the rules. For this GPT, I asked Chat to guide me by asking questions one at a time. This simple step-by-step process made it easier to go through each part, and in the end I had full and clear set of instructions. This included role and purpose, speaking, writing and listening modes, vocabulary and mistakes, topics, summaries and states, testing, memory and tracking, and even elements of gamification. We can build it to act like a personal language teacher. This way GPT doesn't just chat, it teaches, tracks and adapts to us. Step 4. Add conversation starters. Let's include some sample openers. For example, let's start my 10-minute speaking session, or give me 3 topics to choose from. Step 5. Upload knowledge. Next we upload PDFs like English grammar in use or business vocabulary in use. Imagine giving your GPT a private library. Now when we ask a question, it can answer using my books, not just general knowledge. Step 6. Capabilities and actions. Custom GPTs can be equipped with various tools. Web search lets the GPT get the latest information from the internet. Canvas allows the GPT to use Canvas mode, which I explained in earlier videos. Image generation. The name speaks for itself. Code interpreter and data analyst enables Python code execution, spreadsheets, and file generation. Actions are the most technical part of configuration. In simple words, they connect GPTs to external applications or resources through an API, a bridge that lets two apps talk to each other. Step 7. Test and edit. Now we test it. If the answers aren't perfect, we refine the instructions, tighten the rules, or add new files. This is an iterative process, and after some time and improvements, this GPT becomes much better and more effective for the tasks we designed it for. And the last step, share GPT. Finally, choose whether to keep it private, share a link with a teammate, or publish it in the GPT store. Now we have a powerful tool in our hands, one that helps us improve, grow, and get things done faster and better. With Custom GPTs, you can create your own specialist assistants. Just like with my English-Learning GPT, once you set the role and provide the right knowledge, it becomes a true partner that develops alongside you. We will continue trying new tools and sharing what actually works. So hit subscribe and drop a comment if you want to try this GPT. I'll share the link with you there. Till then, I'll keep testing and improving it so every version gets better. See you soon. Bye.